All right, we're grading trades. Jenny, you are up first. Bobby bought, let's call it 2,100 shares of Uber at $27.75. Should he sell or should he continue to hold?
Okay, so the first most important thing is to know what percent of your total portfolio that is. Because if it's like 50% of your portfolio, then you should definitely sell it down to a reasonable amount. Like, forget the fact that it's actually going to do well. So here's where we stand now. Where we stand now is it's up 34% on the year. Going into the year, analysts thought that revenues would grow about 47%. It was up higher, so you've got a decent margin of safety still in this. What they said last May of 22, they said we're going to really focus on profitability. That will come to fruition in the fourth quarter of this year. We are going to see them this year produce $2 and change billion in free cash flow, $4 and change billion next year. That puts them at a 6% free cash flow yield. There's a lot of upside from here, but when you say that number of shares, it just makes me worry that you have too much to be responsible in your portfolio.
All right, Jimmy, for you, Michael bought ExxonMobil 35 bucks, holding and accumulating shares using the dividend. What are your thoughts?
Well, first off, Michael, you get an A+, right? Because the stock has tripled, so how can we can't even debate that. But you need to think about your next trade. Now, I'm going to say two thoughts. You need to keep them in contradiction with each other. I like the stock a lot, but if it's up 3 times in your portfolio, it's probably too big in your portfolio. You can trim it and still hold the positions at 10 times earnings, 3.3% dividend yield, and a lot of reasons to think that energy prices are going to stay high, but you can still trim it and still like the stock.
All right, what?
My dude should get an A+ too. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Forgot that part. You know
what? I got you. Weiss. Doug recently bought Palo Alto at 148 bucks. What should he do?
You know, it depends on your time frame. For me, I bought it around the same level, a couple points higher, and I exited because it's just such a great trade in a compressed period of time. I actually believe the company will do well over the next few years, and for just the average investor, frankly, I wouldn't try to trade around it. I would just stay there. Why pay taxes?
All right. Thanks for the trades. Thanks for the grades. Final trades are next.